Hello guys, and welcome. Today we'll be turning all of this into this. I'll begin with the laser enclosure. This is for a 12mm laser. This type of laser specifically that has the PCB board soldered on the end and possibly hot glued. So you basically just put it through, line it up to the slot, and it should basically fit like that. The tip of the laser might protrude a little bit, and that's by design for this specific laser because this has the line lens on it. If yours does not have the line lens on it, it may be flush or a little bit inside. Then you just put on the cap, and that's it. This part is assembled. I designed this enclosure mainly to protect the PCB board from being hit and broken off. These slots are to allow for heat to escape because with extended use, these lasers might become warm. The slots also serve as a place for the little turret that we're going to assemble to hold it to grab onto. So we'll begin with the bottom base. There's probably gonna be a little support in here, and I do suggest you print it with the support because that ensures that this hole does not come out irregular. This is the support here. Already took it out. Then you will need this little part of the base. You're going to need one 1-inch screw and one screw that's either 8mm or a 1-inch screw that you've cut to about 8mm. And the way that you would cut these is using one of these tools. These screws that I'm using are 6-32 by 1 inch, and this does have the slot here for cutting these screws. You can always use metric screws for this. I happen to have these standard screws, so that's what I'm using. And you will need 2 nylon end pressure nuts, something like this. So what you would do would be, you put one in the back here, and if it doesn't go in easily, like that, you can always use one of these pliers or similar, and just squeeze it in lightly and it should go right in. Then you want to get your 8mm screw in here. Depending on how yours print, it might just slide right in. I actually have to turn mine in a little bit because it's pretty tight. Then you take your base with a nut in it, screw it on. You want this to be tight enough that it gives you some friction on here. Now the reason that you want the friction right at the beginning is because once you put the side screw, you're not going to be able to get to this center screw here. That is that part of the assembly. Next, you'll need the 2 sides and the center support. Depending on how your printer prints, you may have to sand or file the edge of this a little bit to get it to go into these slots. It should fit fairly snug. Once you get it in there, you just need to put one screw in like this, going across. You get your laser, you push it in. You might have to push it in with a little pressure. Put the side here and line it up. Now what you may find is that this might be a little wide here because the plastic is not going all the way in. Just use your plier and very lightly just put a little pressure on it. It is plastic, so it should go right in like that. Put your nylon pressure nut on. Use your screwdriver and a little wrench. And this also, you want it tight enough that you get a little friction. So there we go. That's pretty much assembled. It is a little bit too tight for me, so I'm just going to loosen it up a little bit. And if you still don't get it to go in nice and tight, Again, just use the pliers to squeeze that in. They should be fairly straight like that. So that's it. That's assembled. And all these holes is just in case, depending where you put in it. Sometimes you may not have good positioning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to get when I post new videos for new products like this. Again, any questions, just put them down in the comment section below.